Hi Trailblazer, it's your good friend Anna Szabo, and in this video I would like to share with you a success story in the Salesforce ecosystem of two companies you know very well, and one company is called Miro. If you've ever been like I've been through clicked sprints, if you've ever prepared for any kind of consultant exams, you probably have worked in Miro. And in this video, I want to tell you how Miro navigated its rapid growth with another awesome company in the Salesforce ecosystem, and that company is called Coefficient. Coefficient is all about connected spreadsheets. So Coefficient connects your live Salesforce data with Google Spreadsheets so that you can actually allow access to your data to absolutely everybody on your team, even those who don't have licenses to be Salesforce users. So most important question you're probably asking now is, why am I telling you about this? Why am I telling you about Coefficient? Well, I'm going to let one Trailblazer testify why it's important to know about this app. I have my laptop right here. This Trailblazer's name is Derek Greg, and here is what he wrote on AppExchange about Coefficient, giving it 5-star review. He said, amazing time saver. Coefficient saves me and everyone on my sales team a ton of time. From reporting data across the org to joining data from multiple systems, not just Salesforce, multiple systems, to bulk updating Salesforce records, Coefficient has been an amazing resource. I'm using it for forecasting, sales comp reporting, pipeline management, sales planning, and so much more. Thank you, Derek, for this incredible 5-star review for Coefficient on AppExchange. So I prepared a few points to share with you, and I would like to tell you how Coefficient allows you to connect Salesforce to Google Sheets, and what is the outcome of it that actually helped Miro, because this is all about how Miro was able to successfully scale its business with Coefficient. So how does it happen? So I already told you how Trailblazers explain how it happens, right? How Derek, for example, in his review explained how he leverages Coefficient. So what was the challenge for the Miro team? Okay, so Miro's RevOps team wanted to efficiently manage its data workflows while growing. And so what are the challenges of efficiently managing data workflows while your company is growing? Well, the first challenge, for example, I experienced working at growing companies is working on a go-to-market team and being a part of RevOps teams. I did not always have access to data I needed. And also not everybody on my teams where I worked had access to Salesforce. Not everyone actually had a Salesforce user account and license. So that was the first challenge. So let me tell you what Coefficient helped Miro actually do, because the doing is about efficiency, the doing is about productivity, the doing is about scaling the business, making revenue, right? Getting new clients and doing it fast. The doing is about saving time. And by the way, Coefficient is known for allowing its clients save up to 45% of the time they used to spend managing data, dealing with data. Imagine what you would do with the 45% of your time that you could save leveraging Coefficient. By the way, if you're already excited and you want to download Coefficient right this moment, there are links below this video or somewhere around this video that you can click to check out the listing for Coefficient on AppExchange, and also read some LinkedIn articles I wrote about Coefficient and watch some other videos I filmed for you about Coefficient, because you can see and hear that I have a lot of enthusiasm when it comes to this app. Okay, so let me tell you about a few things that Coefficient helped Miro team accomplish. Number one, it enabled autonomy. It enabled autonomy for the RevOps team, eliminating its dependence on other teams for data needs. And the typical flow would require you to make some ad hoc requests to your data team and be waiting, or even not receiving the data you need for your job. For example, working as a marketing, I'm an award-winning marketer. In my previous career, I was inbound marketing certified, account-based marketing certified, and the lifeblood of everything I did every day on go-to-market teams was data, and sometimes I didn't have access to that data. So for Miro, Coefficient eliminated reliance of the RevOps team on any other teams and gave them autonomy so that they can actually do their job efficiently in a timely manner. Number two, Coefficient facilitated speedy testing and refinement of methodologies for Miro's teams. So in Coefficient, actually your teams can collaborate in spreadsheets, connected spreadsheets, can collaborate, and different teams can actually work at the same time. So no one has to wait for anybody, and everything can happen all at the same time. That is how your teams can do what they need to do for their jobs and help your company scale rapidly. Okay, the third thing is Coefficient empowered Miro's cross-functional teams to develop dashboards within spreadsheets that eliminated this context switching need so that it saved them time. You know that if you have to work in one place, switch context, go to another place for dashboards, it is overwhelming if you do it all day long. And if you're collaborating in different places, it can just be too much. So Coefficient actually has dashboards that you can download, and you can build your own if you want. And if you download Coefficient's dashboards, you don't even have to do manual labor. It's all in one place. It's like one-stop shop for all your data needs. And that, of course, not only saves you time and makes you more productive, efficient, and effective, but it also eliminates a lot of overwhelm for you and your teams. Okay, number four, Coefficient fuel an automated lead routing system integrated with Salesforce. And in a LinkedIn article I wrote about it, there are testimonies from the team exactly how it happened. And this can be sanity saving as well, because this is so helpful. It really just skyrockets your productivity. It eliminates so many bottlenecks for your business. And of course, everything is integrated with Salesforce. It is a bi-directional connection. So not only can your Salesforce live data flow into Google Spreadsheets with Coefficient, but also in the direction of Salesforce as well, which is how this was accomplished. All right, number five. Coefficient enabled a comprehensive forecasting model for rapidly expanding business. As Miro was growing, Alex, who works at Miro, was able to design it, but with the enablement through Coefficient. So again, there's a LinkedIn article that has all the details about it that you can read. All right, number six, powered and automated account routing system, eliminating manual labor. If you know, when we're talking about accounts, when we're talking about selling to businesses, which is what Miro does, we have account executives involved, we have solution engineers involved, we have account managers involved, we have customer success involved. So many parties are involved. So much has to happen as far as how accounts are assigned based on territories or round robin or any other criteria. And so with that, with the help of Coefficient connected spreadsheets, Alex was able to design a model that was integrated with Salesforce and actually helped the business scale. Number seven, became a centralized reporting hub for Miro's RevOps. That's eventually what Coefficient became a centralized reporting hub. So one-stop shop for cross-functional needs for absolutely all teams at Miro. Everybody can work with autonomy without dependency on other teams. You see how so many bottlenecks are just completely eliminated from the whole RevOps process, and business can just flow and grow, create new revenue. And I can go on and on and on about it. I can tell you so much more, but I will not, because this video is gonna go on forever otherwise. So let me thank you for watching. Let me route you to the links that you can read articles, and you can download the app. You can go to AppExchange and read more of Trailblazer testimonials, where people just like you and me talk how Coefficient helped their businesses and help them save time, grow revenue, and even maybe become public, because I have an article I wrote about that. So thank you so much for watching. Click the like button if this video helped you. Share this information with someone who needs to hear it right now. And I cannot wait to read your AppExchange review for Coefficient once you try this app. Thank you.